Hi students, here is another method in the solution of initial value problem, that is Euler's method. Consider the equation. We know first order derivative is dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y. Let us consider this as equation 1 with initial condition y is equals to y naught at x is equals to x naught. Let y of x can be written as y. So y is equals to y of x be the actual solution of the equation. Let h is an interval of differencing, the interval of differencing we have by mean value theorem. Here it is a mean value theorem formula, that is y of x plus h is equals to y of x plus h y dash of x. We have to take a mean value theorem and we have to in that we have to substitute wherever it is x, we have to substitute x naught, then we get y x, here it is, so substitute x naught plus h is equals to y of, again x it is, substitute here x naught plus h y dash as it is, and again x in the place of x substitute x naught. So then next LHS is as it is, and y of x naught can be written as y naught because already we are considering that y is equals to y of x. So this can be written as initial value, that is y of x naught can be written as y naught plus h as it is. Y dash means y dash can be written as dy by dx. Here it is h same place, write down here, and y dash can be written as dy by dx. So substitute their value, it is f of x comma y, but it is x naught, it is initial value. So wherever it is x and y, we have to take initial value. So consider this is dy by dx means we can write y dash. So y dash value is f of x comma y. So in that place we are replacing f of x naught comma y naught because here initial values are there. So x naught comma y naught from equation 1. So y of, here we can write down that we know that already x1 value means x naught plus h. So x naught plus h can be written as x1. This is equals to y naught plus h as it is f of x naught comma y naught, where same condition, here it is in the bracket, x1 is equals to x naught plus h. This is an approximate solution of the equation 1 at x is equals to x1. We are taking that x is equals to x1, denoting y of x1 by, here it is y of x1, we are considering it as y1. So y of x1 can be written as y1. So we have, after changing these values, we will get that y of x1 we are considering as y1. So substitute y1, this is equals to y naught as it is, h f of x naught comma y naught. So now taking x is equals to x1. In the first step we are considering that x is equals to x naught, but next we are taking x is equals to x1 in equation 2. Here it is in equation 2. In equation 2 first we have by substituting x is equals to x naught, we solved that, we have got an approximate solution. So next it is in the same equation we have to substitute, in the place of x we have to substitute x1 in equation 2, noting that y of x1, this y of x1 we are considered as y1. So y dash of x is equals to, we know that in the first equation y dash means it is f of x comma y, but here it is y dash of x. So y dash of x1 means here we have to take x1. So y dash of x1 is equals to f of x1 comma y1. In the first, here it is initial values, but it is a next approximate. So we have to consider 1. We get y of, wherever it is x in the equation 2 substitute x1. So x1 plus h is equals to y of, again x it is x1 plus h y dash into x1. So next, so we know that the formula x naught plus h is equal to x1. So next it is x1 plus h is equals to x2. So it is xn means xn minus 1 plus h, and y of x2 is equals to y2 because we know y of x1 we are considering as y1. So here we have to consider y of x2 is equals to y2. We get wherever it is y of x2 we have to substitute y2. Here x1 plus h can be written as x2. So y of x2 can be written as y2. This is equals to y of x1 can be written as y1 because here we have considered that y of x naught is equals to y naught. So this can be written as, here it is y of x1 can be written as y1 plus h as it is. Here y dash of x1, here we are considering that f of x1 comma y1. Substitute here. This is an approximate solution of equation 1 at where we are taking that x is equals to x2. This is equals to x1 plus h. This can be written as x naught plus 2h. So next, repeating this process n times, we get up to n times, means x naught, x1, x2, so on xn. So n times means general formula it is, here it is yn is equals to, because For example, here it is 2, but here all are 1 only, means minus 1. So this is, let us to consider as yn. This is equals to yn minus 1, because 2 minus 1 is 1. So n minus 1 plus h as it is f, and here it is also 1 less than 1. So n minus 1 comma y n minus 1, which is an approximate solution at xn is equals to x naught plus nh. This process is called as Euler's method of finding an approximate solution of the equation 1. Thank you.